installing some mods, which I have a lot of mods. Oh god. How will we look at a broken PC? Start things off with a bang, you know? But also questioning my own existence. I have a lot of stuff. Like a leaf blower. Why is that plane? I got planks. And a stick of butter. Gun. I tried. Got so much cool stuff. Like netherite. I am in an netherite block. I love this game. Like a laser bomb. That. Oh! It's funny because it's just like, I placed a lot of these down. Like, how do you activate it? Let's go. We're taller than the PC. Tight. Well, a lot of stuff. We have an exosuit. Whoa. Interactive. Oh. My exosuit on. Welcome to Armageddon. Hey guys, look, it's Subnautica! So, let's check this out. Let's grab the physical gun. Calmly take it. Well, I broke a lot of stuff. Oh, no, not the fan. Goodbye, fan. He was a fan of a lot of things. Destruction. Anyway, welcome to Teardown. Destruction. It's a destruction simulator. You can already tell. Oh, the lag. Well, there she goes. Goodbye, PC. Wait, maybe I can save it. Nope, can't save it. Oh. I get back to the spider drive mech? Okay. AT-AT and ATST, we're going on to Star Wars! So Teardown's a fun game that I do suggest you getting. Oh hey, I'm falling from the sky. Oh hey, I'm falling from the sky! Ah! So I'm 99% sure we're in an ATST. Yep, we are in an AT-AT. No, it isn't AT-AT, that's an ATST. We need to find a way out without cheating. We need to make our own way out. Let's go down to the cockpit, shall we? Oh yeah, let's get our exosuit on. Wasn't me. No. How do I interact to equip? How did I get you on before? What the heck? How do I interact with you? E? Oh, it's E. Oh yeah, shoulder minigun. I know the exact way to get out of here. Okay. Ah, no. You know what? Fireball. We are going to bring this thing down, but first we must kill the clones. Which oh hey, a minigun. So if I press C here, right? What do you think this does? What the? Now. Flying right now. Don't know how that happened. Oh, that's an AT-AT going down. Don't worry, we can save it with the portal gun. How do I stop flying? I can't stop flying. Ow, why is it lagging? They're laggy. Let's try it again. Well, this is a laggy game when you have 105 more mods installed. Whoa. Okay. We have avoided jail time. Now, we are going to... just like the Jedi. Gun. Okay, done. I'm Thor. Oh, what the heck? Airstrike. What the heck is my airstrike? Oh, there it is. Aha! Now, ion cannon. You know what? This sounds family. This sounds great. Let's just
Ion cannon beacon deployed.
Go.
Warning, ion cannon satellite approaching. You have 20 seconds to reach minimum safe distance.
What's minimal safe distance? We shall destroy the Empire.
15. 10. 9. 8. 7.
6.
6.
Oh dear God.
5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Oh dear God.
0.
0. Oh! The game lagged and everything's out of the sky! Oh. Goodbye. So it would seem. This thing seems powerful. Let's try this. Molotov cocktail. Nagama. Oh yeah, for seems like I'm punching holes. Huh. Objection! Oh. Destruction. Domination. Where's the oh? There goes the head. Whoops. Oh, the ATSDs. G. Oh. Gravity. Disable God mode. Wait. Oh. So wait, let me just quickly get this straight. So you're saying that I can put this like right here? Oh. Seems powerful. G. No, it's going back. No! 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 We have one more. The void hole. Oh dear. Clean up on aisle 6, anyone? Oh god! Oh god! Oh dear god! It's all gone! It's all gone! Oh! Take this empire! Oh! 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 Ah! Black hole. I just took a whole AT-AT with me, man. Clean up on aisle 6. Oh! Oh! Oh god! No, don't join them. Don't join your brothers! There's been a lot of dead men in this battle. No, don't join it! No! He had a Christmas hat on! Well, you know what they say. Life gives you lemons. How powerful. Oh. So many planes! Goodbye, Jedi. Plane! They're just all collapsing. It's one of those moments where I was going to make a joke, but I just don't. This is, wow, this gun is plain annoying. What do you do? Not a big surprise. Are you kidding? Okay, so I'm glitched.
Amaterasu.
Now let's go do it to a different map, shall we? Just me being an idiot for a long time. Halo. Let's go to. Let's go to this place. Just add a lot of random stuff. I don't know why, but I have all of this and a lot more mods. This is chaos. It truly is chaos. It's not even loading. Well. Oh, and it crashed. So I see, it has crashed. How lovely. It is back. Trains and trains. Titanic, the yacht, the Red Keep. Let's do the yacht. Actually, no, Forest of Hope. Forest of Hope. Wait, Forest of Hope. Isn't that a... Oh, it's a Pikmin thing. Yes. Pikmin. Ah, it's a ship. We're in the Forest of Hope. Oh, that's cool. I don't have any Pikmin to help me. That's problematic. Plane gun. Plane. No, the yellow Pikmin. My bad. Something tells me that Elmore is not coming back. Russian. Ah! alive! Asteroid strike? Oh. Oh, okay, get behind you. Behind you. Okay, it's still alive. I don't think I can say the same for this area. I can't see anything. Bees! One punch. There he goes. It's Among Us, get it? All bees are... No! You will all pay! Not the bees!
Amaterasu.
That was underwhelming. Oh, hey! Ding dong! No, I don't want to die. I don't want. Oh. SCP-001. Oh, that's not. Oh yes, a railgun. So remember when you ate all my Pikmin? It's payback time. That was underwhelming. Oh. Oh. I am Darth Maul. Fireworks! Nothing ever goes wrong with fireworks. Fireworks. The eraser? Oh. Oh, sure, okay. Shoot saw blades. Tornado gun! I'm gonna need to back away from this. Oh! A tornado it is! Wait, where did that come from? Oh. I'm charging up the charge shotgun Marvel 2. Oh hey, it's at full capacity. Oh, and there I go. Goodbye world! I'll be flying. Oh hey, it's the plane. Get me back there. Katana. What's this do? Oh. yes. Come on, G. It doesn't work. It's an acoustic guitar. Object. Later, loser! No, how do I stop object? I don't want to be this object anymore. R. Well, the game's broken. We're gonna save SCP-001 for last, because when day breaks is... Ooh, when day breaks. Oh, and I accidentally broke the ship. Well, looks like we're not getting home anytime soon. Don't worry, I got this. Be nice. What happened to cause a giant explosion back here? A bullboard. It's a bullboard. Now listen, man. I am beyond your understanding. To your people, I am a god. So you will be punished for your consequences. Pay the consequences! That was a very... You know what? That was just... Die. Just... Oh, man. The world now. That was just depressing now. A gun? Another gun. I should have read the name first. A nuke it in! That's a lot of red. Oh, that's a lot of red. Wasn't me. Yeah, it was not me. I did not do it. So it would seem. Oh yeah, the whole area is destroyed. But is the rocket ship still alive? I don't think it is. I think we need a restart. So, lesson we learned today is do not use a nuclear bomb. Gangsta gun? So I see. Wait. I swear I heard doo 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 doo. Why does this exist? Flash! Oh, I am gonna back up. I'm. Hey, Bulborb, Pasta La Vista, sucker. Back away. I'm dead. Not big surprise. So I think it's safe to say that the ship is gone. It survived, and I think I'll leave this map alone. And the ship is dead. Yeah, it ain't surviving that. Let's go to a different map. To finally release SCP-001. Let's do it on an airplane. It's like, find it eventually. It's, Arson Bridge. Haha. I love arson. No. It's like House, Jurassic Park. Oh, it's only 747, Bikini Bottom. Yeah, why can I not find this? Modded Boeing 737. It's gonna be beautiful. Sunny. More options. Occupied cabin. Sure. I don't know what FF, whatever that stands for, but we're going to release when day breaks. Ah, I see we're in the pilot seat, aren't we? Listen, man, I don't want to have to hit you with my pickaxe that says Nokia hammer. He had to die. Him too. Yeah, let me just get my my go-go suit. My suit. That's really cool. Where is that suit? Exosuit. We have it. Now first we need to go to the very end of the list to show off a very cool thing known as those. Don't worry, everything's fine. Who did graffiti? Who messed up the bathroom? Was it you, John? Slouched up in your seat. You know what? That's it. You know what we do to naughty passengers here? That's what we do, naughty passengers. Now let me just... Okay. Now, you guys are all gonna die because you're slouching. You know what we do to naughty passengers here, Billy? That's what we do, naughty passengers, Billy. Goodbye, Billy. And don't even get me started on you, little Timmy. You've committed several war crimes. You must. You know, I'm taking this whole plane down. Well. What? I wonder what happens if I was to... Well, you've chosen this death, and now you will have this death. Goodbye. Stay out of the sun, stay out of the sun, stay out of the sun. We're safe here. There's no sun here. We all good? Well, that's it. Guys, I'm going in. Remember my legacy! That was kind of underwhelming. Let's go to a realistically modified helicopter. Why not? It's a fun game. It's a fun game with lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of destruction and murder, and it's all the person's fault who decided to do it. I mean, that was kind of underwhelming, though. I feel like when Daybreaks would have done like a lot more, but you know, what you gonna do? It's basically just the sun turned evil. Which, I mean, I guess you could just make the whole planet explode, but whatever. And my game is not loading. Yep, and it crashed. Ah. I see. It's not, well, that's gonna be it for today's episode. See you guys next time for whatever reason, and oh, good.